So in this video I am going to tell you a website from where you can get 7 days free WordPress. So the website name is this. I will just share you with this my referral link. You can use the referral link. For using this referral link you will get 7 days WordPress free, and it is good for beginners, and beginners can use it to how to perform things and learn how to do WordPress. And I have created so many videos on WordPress as well. You can ask me in comment section how to do it. So after that you need to sign up an account. I will share you the link in the video description. You just go to the link and sign up an account. After that you will get a platform like this. You can get a dashboard and you can create a website from here. You can get a site manager, so you will get everything. You can create a new site from here, so you can choose WordPress from here, and just you can create a temp site or premium site. You could go for a temp site as of now, as you are beginner. So I have got this temp site and I have got a username and password as well. After opening this link you need to /wp admin, and after that you will get a username and password. You need to enter username and password. So you can see I am now logged into my website. So herein you can see 7 days, around 7 days are showing, 7 days 23 hours. So you can use my link and you can sign up an account with this. So I will share you my link in the video description as well, so you can just check out the link, and from here you can design your WordPress website, and you can get plugins and everything. You will create a backup and everything. You will get all the tools and plugins you can install here, and you can simply visit the site and make the changes, and you can design a beautiful website. If you are a beginner, then you can learn how to do editing and how to add plugins, and everything is given. So I hope friends now you will be able to use this 7 days free website benefit, and you can just find its link in the video description and comment section as well. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.